Welcome back to KK Autos, where we bring you the most futuristic and luxurious vehicles from around the world. Today, we're taking a journey into the world of Scandinavian excellence with the Volvo Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking innovation that combines minimalistic design, modern technology, and pure travel luxury in one magnificent machine. The Volvo Motorhome 2026 is more than just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of comfort and sustainability on wheels. Built with Volvo's legendary commitment to safety, craftsmanship, and eco-conscious engineering, this motorhome is designed to redefine how you experience the open road. At first glance, the exterior of the Volvo Motorhome 2026 stands out with its clean, aerodynamic lines and futuristic shape. The front features Volvo's signature Thor hammer LED headlights, now extended into a more aggressive and artistic design, perfectly complementing the wide chrome grille. The smooth body panels and aerodynamic contours not only enhance the aesthetics but also improve energy efficiency and stability at higher speeds. The large panoramic windshield gives you a commanding view of the road ahead, while the massive side mirrors are replaced by smart cameras, offering a 360-degree field of vision. The exterior paint is finished in a glossy glacier silver tone, with black and chrome accents that reflect both elegance and strength. The subtle Volvo emblem on the front glows softly at night, creating a sophisticated presence wherever you go. Move toward the side, and you'll notice an elegant blend of design and practicality. The body features integrated solar panels on the roof that power the auxiliary systems and contribute to off-grid capabilities. Retractable awnings, hidden door handles, and sleek LED strips add to the clean, futuristic look. At the rear, beautifully curved LED tail lights and a sculpted bumper create an unmistakably premium finish. Now step inside, and you'll enter a world that feels more like a Scandinavian luxury apartment than a motorhome. The interior of the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is an expression of minimalist perfection. It's built around the core of Volvo's design philosophy. Less is more. The cabin is bathed in soft, natural tones, featuring sustainable materials like recycled wood, wool fabrics, and vegan leather. Every detail is carefully thought out to deliver calm, comfort, and class. The driver's cockpit feels straight out of a concept car. A futuristic dashboard with a 15-inch curved display, fully digital instrument cluster, and an AI voice assistant integrated into the system. The panoramic front glass floods the cabin with light, while ambient lighting around the walls adjusts automatically to your mood and time of day. The living area features modular furniture that can transform with ease, from a spacious lounge to a cozy dining space. The kitchen is compact yet intelligent, featuring an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and touch-controlled appliances powered by solar and electric energy. The bathroom area offers a rainfall shower, a dry flush toilet, and heated flooring, giving you the comfort of a high-end hotel wherever you go. The bedroom is another highlight, a peaceful retreat with a queen-sized memory foam bed, large storage spaces, and an adjustable sunroof above for stargazing at night. Every inch of this motorhome radiates Volvo's philosophy of smart comfort and sustainable living. When it comes to performance, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 sets new standards. Powered by a hybrid electric powertrain, it combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with dual electric motors that produce over 500 horsepower. The motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 6 seconds, which is incredibly fast for a vehicle of this size. The hybrid system provides an impressive electric-only range of around 300 kilometers and a combined range exceeding 800 kilometers when using both power sources. The intelligent AWD system ensures stability on all types of terrain, from highways to mountain roads. Volvo's advanced air suspension system adjusts automatically, providing a silky smooth ride even on rough surfaces. In terms of technology and safety, Volvo continues to lead. The 2026 motorhome comes equipped with Volvo's latest IntelliSafe suite, featuring Level 3 autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, collision avoidance, and automatic emergency braking. The onboard AI can even plan routes based on weather, terrain, and nearby charging stations, making long journeys effortless and worry-free. Charging is fast and efficient, with an 80% charge achievable in just 40 minutes. The solar integration extends battery life and keeps your living amenities powered when off-grid, perfect for long adventures into nature. Price-wise, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 offers luxury that rivals even the most expensive motorhomes in the market. The base model starts around $230,000, while the fully loaded version with extended range and full off-grid capability can reach up to $300,000 USD. It's not cheap, but for what it offers, performance, design, comfort, and Volvo's signature safety, it's worth every cent. The Volvo Motorhome 2026 is not just a vehicle. It's a vision for a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future. It gives travelers the freedom to explore the world with luxury and peace of mind, all while leaving a minimal environmental footprint.